Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Action Center not working and not opening. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.